Hello, welcome to this tropical storm Ophelia update. It's 3 o'clock, and here you go. You can see it clearly on the satellite. The center is now over land. You can see it looks like a little break in the rain, maybe well off to our south. You can see the uh, shield of clouds and moisture over us. If we look at the radar right now, which we'll look at this radar, you can see here, we still have a few more showers here, maybe a little less down there. This is a better radar to look at. You can see again there's another area of yellow that looks like it's heading for New York City. Um, and then a few more down here, and then there's a little break, and then here's the actual center of the storm right here. You can see some really heavy rain over parts of Virginia. Let's go look at some let's go to the latest from the Hurricane Center first of all. So, latest public advisory on Ophelia. Ophelia is moving northward over eastern North Carolina. Tropical storm conditions and heavy rainfall still ongoing. As of 2 p.m., its location 36.2 north, 77.3 west, about 95 miles south of Richmond, Virginia, and about 80 miles east-northeast of Raleigh, North Carolina. Maximum sustained winds are 45 miles an hour, moving north at 13 miles an hour. The minimum central pressure is 993 millibars, 29.32 inches. Looking at this here, so there is weakening. That's the good news. Um, and If you look at our observations here, you'll see that the wind gusts have come down. We don't have the extreme wind gusts that we were having last night. But we're still seeing probably high. Let's see, we got wave heights. This one doesn't give us wave heights. Let's see if this one gives us wave heights. Yeah, 11.8 wave heights off the Delmarva here. All right, and then if we go looking at Jersey, you'll see northeast wind at 22, gusting 29. So we can get some wave height data here. 13.5 feet off that buoy right there off the south shore. So, yeah, that's the kind of waves you're seeing out there. Some pretty high waves. From Dale Airport, reporting a wind gust to 25 miles an hour. So nothing crazy, but here's a wind gust of 42 at this buoy. So if you're out over the water, it's probably worse. By the water, it's probably a lot worse. So let's look at the power outage impact right now. Virginia has 18,000 customers without power. North Carolina has 24, right, roughly 24,000 without power. And most of those are in the eastern part of the state. Here, as you see here. So it's not widespread. It's generally the eastern part of the state for North Carolina. Looking at Virginia, you can see some of these counties inland though there's a pretty large outage there in Buckingham County. But other than that, it's mostly scattered about. You see some scattered power outages here and there. Let's look at Delaware. So Delaware has some scattered power outages. Maryland, only 2,600 out there. Let's see New Jersey. New Jersey has 5,000 out. Ocean County has 1,730 out. Monmouth has 889. Atlantic only 35. Cape May 622. So there are some power outages in New Jersey. Ocean County seems to be having the most power outages right now. No surprise. As far as who has the most outages, it's JCP&L. Let's see if we can go by count. Can we go by a list? It doesn't really give us a by county list as far as who has. Well, actually, yeah, we can probably do that. Yeah. So Ocean is probably up near the top. Probably. Let's see. I gotta find New Jersey. Yeah. All right. So here we go. So Ocean County. Actually, it only has 299 on this one. So I don't know what's going on. That's not the right number at all. But anyway, you can see there, that's the amount of outages we have. Monmouth 889, and we'll just look at Long Island, and I'm sure it's probably not too many over here as well. We have about 854 customers without power on Long Island. Very scattered about, scattered small outages, mainly on the North Shore. No surprise, not many on the South Shore. Again, it's just due to the tree limbs coming down on the wires because it is windy out there. But nothing terrible as far as that goes. Let's see what it looks like at Seaside Heights right now, New Jersey. I'll show you a few cameras here. You can see, yeah, the wind and rain pounding across the area. You can see there's the ocean right there. Looking pretty angry. You wouldn't want to be walking around here. It looks pretty miserable, but yet I do see two people walking around, oddly enough. Which is pretty crazy. Let's go to Rogers Beach, West Hampton. And this is what it looks like in West Hampton right now. And you can see, yeah, those waves look pretty big. Oh, yeah, look at that big one coming in. Yep. Yeah, those waves look pretty big. Yep, they do. So, yeah, that's pretty much what's going on there at the beaches. You can see it looks kind of rough out there. So, that's going to wrap up this update here on Tropical Storm Ophelia. I'll have another weather update for you later tonight.